Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about Sanskritization. Let's start our class. The term Sanskritization was coined by M.A. Srinivas to describe the process of cultural mobility in the traditional social structure of India. In his book Religion and Society Among the Kurks, the book name is very important. You have to remember the book name, The Religion and Society Among the Kurks. And you have to remember one more thing is Sanskritization. Who introduced the term Sanskritization means M.N. Srinivas. And the meaning of Sanskritization is it is important to understand uh, what is Sanskritization means. The lower caste, in order to raise their position in the caste hierarchy, the lower caste, in order to raise their position in the caste hierarchy, adopted some of the customs of the higher caste. Means they imitate, they copy some of the customs and traditions, the way of life of higher caste, and gave up some of their own, which is considered to be impure by the higher caste. You can write in your own words in exam. Whenever they call what is the meaning of Sanskritization means, you understand what's the meaning of Sanskritization and write down using your own words. It is better. Now so I take an example. They gave up meat eating, consumption of liquor, animal sacrifice to their gods. They imitate in the matter of dress, food rituals. To the they gave up all those things which can be considered to be impure by the higher caste, and they start copying. They imitate custom traditions and dress code, the habits, their rituals, even their names also they can copy uh, by the lower caste, just to raise the what was the aim of the lower caste means to raise their position in the hierarchy of caste. Now take next the next concept is um, major aspects of Sanskritization. What are the major aspects that they change or they copy, they imitate to higher caste? The first is ritual. The lower caste or the other groups or the tribals, we can say, did manage to imitate the customs and rites of twice born or dvijas or higher caste. This is the best way to climbing a higher position in caste hierarchy. The next is treatment of widows. In the higher caste, a widow was not allowed to remarry and not to wear the ornaments. She was not allowed to attend any functions. On the other hand, among the lower caste, widow remarriage were practiced. In the imitation process, these groups banned widow remarriage. The next concept is treatment of women. Women were hold in secondary position in higher caste and badly treated in higher caste. So while imitate in the process of imitating, the lower caste also copied the women position occupied lower position. They treated their women also in secondary position. And the next is kinship. According to M.N. Srinivas, the sphere of kinship, Sanskritization stress the importance in the patrilineal lineage. Sanskritization results in increasing the importance of sons. The member of the higher caste prefer sons to daughters, then daughters. So in the process of imitating, the lower caste also gave importance of son. The next is ideology. Sanskritization also resulted in the use of new ideas, values such as karma, dharma, Papa, Punya, and Moksha. So the higher caste use these ideas in their conversation. Through the process of Sanskritization, the lower caste groups also expose these words, these ideas in their conversation. The next is food habits and dress habits. If we take food, the higher caste are obviously vegetarians. So the lower, on the other hand, the lower caste were non-vegetarians. Sanskritization also resulted in change of food habits. The lower caste strictly practiced vegetarian, become vegetarians, and the dress code also. They start wearing janavaras, means a sacred thread like the higher caste wearing. The next is change in nomenclature. It means the naming ceremony or namakarana. Many of the lower caste started giving names of their newborn. The names that are common in higher caste. In place of the traditional and typical names, they have started giving names of lords. So in these way, in these points, they change their lifestyle. They start copying, they imitating the higher caste in all these aspects. So this is called Sanskritization. This is a concept of M.N. Srinivas. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.